So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting section D of our data science question paper, and this section is all about Python data structures and basic NumPy pandas operation. So let's begin. Let's begin with the question number 26 of our question paper, which says compute mean of a list A which is equal to 246 set using NumPy. So to calculate the average of a list using NumPy, we simply use the mean function here in the question. So here the command will be np.mean, mean of A. This gives us the arithmetic mean of our list elements. So this command is basically used to calculate the mean. So moving ahead to the next question, question number 27. So question number 27, convert list 1, 2, 3 to NumPy array. So if we want to convert a normal Python list into a NumPy array for numerical operations, so we use the command which is np.array, np.array, and np.array function. So the command here is np.array, array में वो pass कर दो जो list है. So what the list is 1, 2, 3. So pass this into np.array function, which will convert a normal Python list into a NumPy array for numerical operations. Now next question, which is create a data frame using pandas. So if we want to quickly create a data frame, we can pass a dictionary to pd.dataframe. Panda short form is pd and NumPy short form is np. Here we are going to use what we are going to write on the topmost of our code. Import NumPy as np and import pandas as pd. So according to question number 28, if you want to quickly create a data frame, a pd.dataframe is used, keys become columns, names and values become data. So command here is pd.dataframes, here in the dictionary format. A, this is what column names, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 are values. So moving ahead with the next question, question number 29. If your data set has missing values and you want to fill them with the mean of each column, so you can simply write here df.fillna. What you are going to pass average of your list, df.mean in place true. This replace all NaN's values with their respective column means. Moving ahead with the next question. Question number 30. Display the first 5 rows of the data frame. So with the top rows of the data frame, we are going to use df.head function. So by default, it shows the first 5 rows. So we don't even need to pass a number in that. So df.head is used. Question number 31. Plot histogram of column height. So if we want to visualize the distribution of height values in our data set, we simply use Matplotlib's histogram function. So what's the command? plt.hist df or df of height. This helps us understand how values are spread. So it will show the histogram on your screen. So moving ahead with the next question. Question number 32. What question number 32 is? Apply one hot encoding to column color for converting categorical value into binary indicators. So pandas gives a very easy function which is pd.get dummies df of colors. This convert each unique color into its own column of zeros and ones. So this command is basically used. Now moving ahead with the next question, question number 33. Compute correlation between column X and column Y. If we want to check the linear relationship between two numerical columns, so we write the command as df of x dot corr for function in which pass another column which is y. So df of y. So by default, this calculates the Pearson correlation, which explain the values between -1 and +1. Question number 34 here. Find unique elements in a list. So when we want unique values from a list and we want to remove duplicates, we simply convert it into a set. How we are going to convert it into a set? Using a set function. So since sets only store unique elements, duplicates are removed automatically from the sets. Moving ahead with the next question. Adds a new key value pair to a dictionary. If we have a dictionary and we want to add a new item in it, we just assign it like this: d of pi equal to 3.14. This inserts pi with the value 3.14 in the dictionary. Now next question, create a Deque and append element 1, 2, 3. So here in the question, what we are going to do, a Deque is a double-ended queue, very fast for adding and removing from both ends. So we create like this: from collection import Deque. From what? From collection import Deque. Deque equal to Deque 1, 2, 3. So a Deque allows fast appends and pops from both sides. Question number 37. Pop smallest element from the heap. If your data structure is a minimum heap, min heap, the smallest value can be removed using heap q dot heap pop heap. This pops and returns the minimum elements. So this function is used. Question number 38. Create a NumPy array of zeros of shape 3, 3. To create a 3 cross 3 matrix full of zeros, we write the command like np.zeros 3, 3. This is useful when you need an empty matrix for mathematical operation. Moving ahead with the next question. Convert column date to date time. Type in Pandas. Sometimes dates are stored as string, but for analysis, we need real date objects. So we convert them using pd.toDateTime df of date. Now Pandas can properly understand and manipulate these dates. So for the proper understanding and manipulating of dates, we use to convert these strings into a proper real date objects. So for that, we are going to use this command. Now next and last question, filter rows where score is greater than 50. So if we want to select only rows where the value in score column is greater than 50, we apply a condition inside brackets. So what's the condition here is df of score is greater than 50. So this return all rows satisfying the condition. So that completes section D of Python data structures. If you are enjoying this question paper and solutions, don't forget to like. And I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you.